Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade beetroot powder. So stay tuned. To make this beetroot powder, I'll be making use of 2 beetroots. So I'm going to peel the skin of the beetroot. On peeling off the skin of the beetroot, you can choose to slice with knife, slicer or peeler. And make sure that you slice it into a thin size so that it can dry easily. I'm done cutting. I lay a parchment paper on the tray, so I'm going to spread out the beetroot on the tray and allow to dry. You can choose to dry using oven, dehydrator, or you can dry. If you have a sunny day, you can sun dry it for about 3 or 4 days. When I'm done spreading it out, I'll allow it to dry on the sun for about 3 days. After about 4 days, the beetroot has dried. Then I'm going to add it into the blender and blend into a fine powder. And decide to store this in airtight container and blend whenever you want. Choose to add the beetroot powder to your smoothie or sauce. When I'm done blending, I will set aside. Then I'll repeat the same process until I'm done blending all the beetroot. Done blending, I will sieve to remove any chunks. Finally, the beetroot powder is ready. You can use this for your meal or you can use it for any beauty remedy. Then I will store this in airtight container. Beetroot is loaded with a lot of important nutrients. It contains vitamin A, C. You can add this to your smoothie or to your meal. It will help to purify your blood, eliminate toxins from your body. You can also use this for your facial or for your beauty remedies. You can use it to make your soap, lip gloss, face mask, body scrub, or bath tea. I hope you can see how easy it is to make your beetroot powder. Thank you all for watching.